What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So today is the day of the car meet that I'm hosting. We're doing a cruise up from Rockland area up to like Forest Hill area. So if you're around Sacramento area, you kind of know what I'm talking about. Anyway, we're gonna go meet up with a ton of people. I put this out on Instagram, so make sure you go follow me on Instagram if you guys want to join in some stuff like this. I'll go ahead and leave my Instagram handle right over here somewhere. But yeah, so pretty much we're just doing like this nice little cruise slash drive type of situation. It should be pretty chill. There's probably gonna be around 15 people. I'm guessing 15 people from who have said that they're going. We're gonna go ahead and pull up, see how many people actually show up. I know Nora's gonna be there, so it should be a really fun time. Anyway, it should be a really fun day, so let's go ahead and get going. All right, guys, so I didn't really record too much while parking lot, but I ended up like talking with everybody. We had a really good time. So there's quite a bit of people here. I'm actually kind of surprised at how many people showed up. Probably about like 20 something cars, probably like 22 cars, 23 cars, something like that, something pretty crazy. But we're all gonna be heading out right now. There's even an E30 M3 over here, which is pretty sick. So so hopefully you can see the road. I just kind of threw on the GoPro while I'm driving, which is kind of dangerous, but I really wasn't expecting this many cars on the road with us, so, but it's pretty fun, so let's go ahead and enjoy the drive. Bro, he's like, go down.
We're all getting tickets, bro.
Like, oh god. Anyway guys, we made it up to the top, so we're pretty much all here for the most part. Just like a nice overview with like all the BMWs. I thought it would be really sick, so really fun time. Bro, what do you think?
Come on, man. Check out the Atlantis, bro. Come on.
Dude, it's so sick, dude. I love the Atlantis. Bro, I know there was a ton of rocks, right?
Who is the owner of this car?
I don't know.
I mean, we got the E30 M3. We got a ton of like M3s, like everything's out here, guys. It's a really good time. But here's what we came down here for. Here's the view. Like, this is just such a sick view. I'm enjoying this. What do you think? How was the drive?
Oh, the drive is good. So that last lady showed up.
I know, the last lady. Some lady came up and just like was trying to cause problems, but I mean, it is what it is. We had a good time, so. Alright guys, so we're just taking pictures right now. Wherever you want. Do last, go last. Got the Atlantis Blue M3, got the E30 M3, got two M3s. We're just missing the E36. The hybrid though, dude. And we need the E46. But look at the view, guys. This view is just crazy. Having a good time, taking some pictures.